In this video, I am going to explain the installation procedure of the Power BI software and main features of the software. The main introduction, what are the main toolbars we are using in this software, I want to explain in this video. So before going to that installation procedure, we are using the main purpose of this software is to analyze the data and prepare the reports in the form of visualization, because the different customers are expecting the different visualizations from the data. The main the advantage of this software is the input data is any format. You can give the input any format of data that can be converted into the user required visualization formats. There is a lot of visualization formats are available in this software that I will explain. So now before going to that, let us download the file. So go to this website, that is powerbi.microsoft.com. Just enter this URL, then it will be displayed like this. Now in this, go to the products. Under the products, go to the Power BI. Go to the products, Power BI. In the Power BI, different options are available. Just go to the desktop option. So under the desktop option, download now. You click here, the setup file will be downloaded. And after downloading this setup file, you can use that file, install the software. Otherwise, I can also provided in the description the Power BI setup file. Use that file also, you can install the software. So I already installed the software, then I skip off. This is a simple the procedure for installation. Just double click that icons application the file, then it will simple instructions it will ask. Anyone can follow that instructions and it easy to install the software. After installation of the software, the icon will be displayed in your desktop like this, the Power BI desktop. So now you can double click this Power BI desktop. Before going to that, just I want to use that Excel file. Now this is the Excel file. I want to show that how you can load it and how you can converting this data into the visualization formats. So before going to that, just what are the things are you are required that you can prepare in a Excel sheet. Now the name of this file is raw data for Power BI. Now I am using the two tabs, the COVID data I am using and sales data I am using. Like this, any number of the tabs you can use, and that you can convert it into the visualization formats. This is the file I am going to use in this software. Now let us go to the Power BI desktop. Double click this Power BI desktop. Then the software it will open. It's a very nice software, mainly for preparing the visualization reports. Okay, so once it will open, double click, it will open like this. Now let us, if you go for the open the file, if you have any file is there that you can open it, or you can start from the blank. Just click this blank report. So now after clicking the blank report, it will be loaded like this. Now you can see that here this is the under this dotted line, this is the canvas area. So main the reports are prepared in this area. Now you can see the left to this area, there is a report view. You can use this tab to view the report, and use this to table view. Whatever that Microsoft tables you are using, the table view format you can get it from this tab, and from this the model you can get it. And here there is a home option and insert, and the insert there is a lot of facilities are there. Like here you can also able to use this symbols, shapes, like how you are using in Excel sheet or PowerPoint presentations. Those symbols are also available here for creating the models, or you can import the images. All these options are available. And in this modeling also you can use that different languages, and new tables, new parameters is available. under you can able to do that grid lines. If you click here, the grid lines will be there, and if you remove it, grid lines will be removed, snap to grid, and all these things are available. And also page view, the page view is also available for the tab and also mobile layout. So the mobile layout is also you can, in order to present the data in the mobile layout, you can use this mobile layout. And bookmarks, selection, all these are the, and slicers are available. So these are the different features are available in this software. And you go for the optimization, that is not now that advanced version you can go it. Now here the filters. So using the different filters, you can use this canvas by more presentable, you can do it. And visualization, you can see that under this visualization, what are the different formats are available, which format you want report, that format you can select and you can create. And under this data, now there is no data. Once we imported that Excel file, the data will be loaded. Now it is empty, you can show that you have not loaded any data yet. Okay, now let us go for, here different options are available to load the software. Get data, if we click here, so common data source, these are the several data sources. Which source you want, that file you can load it, or directly go to the Excel workbook from this site, or you can click here also. So if you click here, it will directly the shows, go to that path. Now I want to load this file, raw data for Power BI. So this file, once we selected this file, just a minute, it will shows that before loading you have to give the some more options. Navigator, the screen will be displayed. So under the navigator scheme, now we have seen the Excel sheet is having the two tabs. The first tab is COVID data and second tab is sales data. Now let us click this COVID data. Suppose you want to get the visualization reports from COVID data, only this one tab you can select, and here it is, see the bottom, there is a load, transform data and cancel. If you select the load, this data will be loaded in the software. Or if you want to do some transformations, what is the transformations, whatever the data is available, that data you want to convert into some other format, then you will go for the transform data. For example, here the date is given 31/2020, 31/2020, like this. Now I want the date wise or month wise or year wise, then these three, this simple one column you can split into the three different columns. One is column is date, one column is month, one column is date. For that we are using the transform data, but now we are not go for the transform data. In the later videos I will explain how we can transform the data. Okay, now just I want to load for both sales data and COVID data. Once click this two tabs and click the load button, then these two data is loaded, that will be reflected under the data. Okay, so now you can see that both the tab data is loaded. So just a minute, it will take the few seconds to reflect the data under the data tab. So that depends upon the size, it will take the time, and also depends upon your laptop processor, it will take the time. Okay, now it is data is loaded. Now you can see that COVID data and sales data. Now suppose I want to do some reports from the COVID data, simply you can click this COVID data. So under the COVID data, what are the columns are available, that will be displayed. So under this COVID data, the cured or discharged data is there, and date on which, and sum of the death, and the name of the state or name of the country, that will be there, the total confirmations. These are the data is available from the COVID data. Okay, now just I want to know the report in this format. There is a different the visualization formats are available. So now this is the stacked bar chart, and this is the stacked column chart, like this different. Suppose I want to click this one, then once clicked, it will be displayed in this canvas. Now you can move anywhere in this canvas, this, and also you can resize this in by drag on. or you can simply go for the focus mode also. You can and complete screen it will be displayed, and go to the back to report, it will go to the back to the report. Suppose let us I want to explain simple example in this video. Just I want to load name of the state. Okay, now there is x-axis and y-axis. Okay, in x-axis I want to load the name of the state, then y-axis what is the death, the sum of the death that will be displayed in the y-axis. So once we are displayed here, this file will be looking like this. Okay, so otherwise you can go for this any example. So you can take any chart. Suppose you want to take pie chart, that pie chart will be displayed. Now you can see that the different the deaths and the states is available. Okay, so likewise you can represent the reports in this different formats are available. Okay, so here you go to the back to the report, and this is the report view. This what we have seen, that is the report view, and here it is a table view. So which table you are using, that table will be displayed here if you want to table. And the data, what data is format is there here. The two data formats are using in this COVID data and cell, that also you can able to see by using this. Suppose I want to go to the report view. So like this you can create the reports. Once you created the report, that also you can share by using this share button. Okay, click this share directly, or copy link, or manage access. These are two different options are available. Any one option you can use to share the data. So that like this you can able to create the required data. The same thing you want now, it is in the desktop mode. Now I want in the mobile layout. So you can change to the mobile layout. Okay, now you can see that create the mobile layout, and in this mobile layout also you can add this. Okay, like this you can add different the visualization reports in the mobile. So likewise it's very advantage of using the software to create the data in the form of different visualizations. These are the different visualization techniques are available, and here you can see that format your report page. So in the report page, whatever our required format, that can be done by using this tab. Here page information, canvas settings, canvas background, different colors we can form, wallpapers, filters, all these things will be possible by using this axis. Okay, because this is the only introduction to this Power BI software. Now I will go for the next coming videos. I will explain each feature in detail about the videos. I hope all of you understand how to download the Power BI setup file and install. After installation, what are the main features of the software you learned in this video. Okay, thank you.